Hey everyone, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Seriously, this phone is insane. Remember when we thought phones were just for calls and texts? Yeah, those days are long gone. The S25 Ultra is like a pocket-sized spaceship and it's blowing my mind. Forget everything you think you know about smartphones because this thing is on another level. Okay, so this isn't just a small upgrade, it's a complete rethink of what a phone can actually do. Let me break down what makes this thing so special. Powerhouse performance. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra rocks the mention-specific processor, e.g. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 or Exynos equivalent. Think of it like the phone's brain, and this one's a genius. Paired with mention RAM amount, e.g. 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM, that's like its short-term memory. It can handle anything you throw at it. Gaming? No problem. Editing 8K video? Easy peasy. Multitasking like a pro? You got it. Say goodbye to lag and hello to super smooth performance. That gorgeous display, prepare to have your eyes blessed. The S25 Ultra's display is a masterpiece. It's a mention display type and size, e.g. 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with mention resolution, e.g. QHD plus resolution. That means everything looks incredibly sharp and detailed. And the mention refresh rate, e.g. 120 Hz or 144 Hz, adaptive refresh rate makes scrolling and animations buttery smooth. Whether you're binging Netflix, browsing Instagram, or playing the latest games, this display is just stunning. Oh, and it gets bright too, so you can actually see it in sunlight. Camera king. Okay, camera nerds, listen up. The S25 Ultra's camera is seriously next level. We're talking a rumored mention main sensor resolution, e.g. 200 megapixels main sensor. That's insane. It captures so much detail even when it's dark. And the zoom, forget about it. Mention zoom capabilities, e.g. 10x optical zoom and 100x space zoom, means you can get super close to things without losing image quality. Imagine taking a picture of the moon and actually seeing craters. They've also improved the night mode, so your low-light photos will look amazing. Plus, there are all sorts of AI tricks to make your pictures look even better. Built to last, and look good doing it. The S25 Ultra isn't just powerful, it's beautiful too. Samsung has used premium materials like mention materials, e.g. Armor Aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 5, to make it feel super premium in your hand. It's also tough as nails. And don't worry about getting it wet. Its mention water resistance rating, e.g. IP68 water and dust resistant. More than just specs. What really sets the S25 Ultra apart is how everything works together. It's not just a bunch of impressive specs. It's a whole ecosystem. Samsung's One UI software is super intuitive and easy to use. And it integrates seamlessly with other Samsung devices like your Galaxy Watch or Buds. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beast. It's got the power, the looks, and the brains to be the best smartphone out there. If you're looking for the ultimate phone, this is it. What do you think about the S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and news. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.